Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Sweetest thing, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and we are using the Sweetest thing, and we're going to be using this little label and make it a sweet celebration and happy birthday. Okay, so I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use Bermuda Bay and Coastal Cabana. Okay, so I think for the outline, I'm going to use the Bermuda Bay. And we'll just center that, just like that. And that was mounted on clear block D. And now for Happy Birthday, I'm going to use the Coastal Cabana. And this is mounted on clear block B, just like that. And while we have our ink out, our card base is Coastal Cabana as well. And we're going to be using the sentiment, ink that up in Bermuda Bay. And this is mounted on clear block H. Alright. And that is all the stamping we're doing. And we can start putting this card together. Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I'm using the coordinating framelits. And then I also have a piece of the Designer Series paper, and these framelits coordinate with that paper. Let's put this back. All right, and we'll run that through. All right, so this is the Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to put this down with some snail. And then I have a piece of Bermuda Bay, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll center that. And I have the Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green reverse ribbon. I'm just going to cut this. And I'll put this down. And I want it kind of the bottom middle. All right. And then we're going to put this down with our snail as well onto our card base.
All right, and let's see, I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and pop up the happy birthday as well. And let's see, I kind of like it right there. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!